We will see how to repeat songs in a Spotify music app on your Windows 11 and 10 PC. If you want to repeat any played songs, then here are the process. Open a Spotify app on your system, and here choose any music, play it, and here you will find an icon. Just beside this and click on it. It will appear as green, means the songs you have played will repeat after completion. If you want to repeat songs option off, then simply click on 2 times to disable this feature. If you want to enable repeat songs, then click on 1 time. That's all.